Hey guys, so we're doing a cool new series. We are coming live to you from, well, not live, but we're in our office. So we hate it. We don't like how it looks.
It's awful.
And it's been like a quasi guest bedroom slash craft room slash storage slash too much stuff. And we feel like we're not getting enough creative flow with a lot of the stuff that we want to do with the journey. So we decided we're making this room for the journey and for all of our creative stuff. So we're going to give you guys a little bit of detour. A tour of what it looks like.
Currently.
And then give you a little game plan of what we're going to try and do. And then we're going to give you a series of rundown, kind of video by video of, we're going to do it in sections. Because we ain't got that type of savings where we can do it all at once. So, but we're going to do it. Should be fun. Like, we're going to make the furniture and everything. So. Yeah. It's going to be a fun series. So let's show you guys the office.
All right, folks. So here is our office. As you can see, it's not very large to begin with. But this is just a wall where we put up our painted bears. We did that for my birthday one year. It was actually really fun, painting with a twist. This wall is typically where we do like our backdrops for filming. And we have this that I bought like forever ago. But we will be getting rid of that. So imagine a wall with beauty on it. And then we've got, this wall is for obviously our computer. And I also do calligraphy stuff on the side. So this is like my little area for that. So as you can see, I've decorated it with my stuff. And then over here, this is actually probably gonna remain the same because I have nowhere to put all this stuff. But this is all of my calligraphy slash painting slash hodgepodge of just crafty things. So this actually isn't going to change at all until we can afford one of those beautiful scrap boxes. This will continue to look the way it will, but everything else in this room will change. We plan to do an L-shaped desk over here. That'll go from about here to this window. That way we can fit up to 3 people if we needed to. And then we'll redo this wall with some shelving, that kind of thing. This wall, we plan on putting a collage of pictures of trips and places that we've gone and things that we've seen. And then this wall will also be a wall where we have shelves, probably put our camera equipment, maybe some pictures, and a couple other things. And we plan to do kind of a sitting area where we'll do our podcasts and even our reviews. And just want to do like 2 chairs and that kind of thing. And then we're going to have an actual standing desk that's going to roll, and we'll do our reviews on that over here. This bed will not be here anymore. We will be removing it. So that's it.
Exciting stuff. All right, so we are in Home Depot, and what are we doing, Kelsey? She's walking so fast.
It's pandemic season, so we're deciding to update our office.
We're starting with the shelves. So we got these really cool brackets. Kelsey has one, and we're gonna get some wood and stain it and make the shelves for the office. That's phase 1, the shelves. All right, we got the wood. Now it's time to cut it. What do we get?
We got the stain.
Good afternoon. It is...
What up, what up?
It is we grabbed wood yesterday, so we are finishing the actual project of staining and sanding and all sorts of fun stuff for our shelves, yeah. So that's what we're about to do. We'll run some fun shots and get you guys to see what the layout's gonna look like. Let's go.
So currently all the pieces of wood have been stained. And now we have Lucas over here putting on the sealant, whatever you may want to call it.
I have no idea what this does. I'm just doing it because she told me to.
It protects the wood. Good grief. It's not that difficult, so.
All this hard work. I'm getting pizza tonight.
Heck yeah, we are.
Pizza, pizza. All right, everything is sanded, then we stained it, then we sealed it, sanded it some more, sealed it some more, and now we wait. So these puppies are going to seal for a couple of hours, and then I think what we're gonna do is we're gonna game plan out the wall and where we wanna put them. And then we'll show you guys the room and where we're thinking of putting them up. And then I think tomorrow is when we're going to put them up. It's already like 6 o'clock. So we've been out here for 4 or 5 hours. So it's been a good day, very productive. And we'll finish this up. I'm super excited to show you guys exactly what they're gonna look like. So let's get to the room and put them up. Okay, so.
Morning. Is it still morning?
It's like early afternoon. Yesterday was a success. Everything is ready to go. We have our pieces.
Wood.
We let it, what would you say, like dry or whatever, seal or whatever, through the night, just because they suggested that. And now we're going to put the shelves on the wall. Now, here's a little test.
Hopefully we don't murder each other.
Yes, test for your marriage. You want to see how well, or relationship, however close you guys are, and to see if you don't kill each other doing a project, just put anything on a wall.
It's a lot. It's
So we shall see how it goes. Kelsey has zero faith in me. She thinks I'm going to get angry. She's got like 10% faith.
10% faith, yeah, that's it.
But should be fun, but very excited. And we already ordered our rug for the ground. We're gonna order our chairs soon, and we're gonna make a coffee table, which we'll show you. So pretty much our podcast / where our background of our reviews will almost be done. So
yeah.
we're very, very excited. So let's get to work. So this is exactly what I'm talking about. This is what happens, you get issues. So, it's stripped. Then I tried to pull it out and no luck, so I had to go buy some extractors. So, you know, this is why I don't do construction stuff. Wanted to show you something. This guy has been a big old pain. Big old pain. But he's out of the wall now, as you can see. Now, I'm gonna fix this and finish it up. That thing got stripped to crap. I had to go, so I have some of these at the office, but I didn't wanna have to wait till tomorrow, so we went and got a pair for ourselves. But I literally had to get some of these vice grips to get it out of the wall. The extractor didn't work, so now I just need to make sure that I'm pushing forward and drilling in the wall instead of trying to reverse out of the wall.
While drilling.
And we can finish this up today. We're happy. Time for some sick B-roll for you to enjoy the new shelves. We do need to fix the holes, so just ignore those, the bullet holes that I did. Ignore those. Alrighty, so that concludes the first episode for this playlist for redoing the office. Step 1 was shelves. The next episode we're going to work on, the coffee table for this. As well as we will probably get going on the table that'll be in this corner. So that's step 2. We're gonna get some chairs here. Kelsey's gonna spruce the thingies up. What are you doing with my hair?
Just playing.
So we're gonna put some more fun stuff on it. We just grabbed a few things, but if this is y'all's first time at the channel, we appreciate you stopping by. Make sure you hit the like and subscribe button, and comment below if you like the shelves, how they turned out. Got a lot of work into them, a couple of mishaps.
I'm tired.
But yeah, it's time to go relax, and I think we earned a nice, relaxful evening, huh? All right, journeyers, we'll see you. Peace.